Welcome to Learn Haitian Creole with Dr. Les. Let's do some counting today. Counting in Haitian Creole. All right. Now, counting in Haitian Creole is pretty straightforward. The first one is yun, but in certain contexts, you may say yon. But yon is used more like the article, like a book, yon livre. Yon livre. Now, a book, yon livre. Now, when you're counting, you say une, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Again, une, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. All right, that's 1 to 10. Counting from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, counting from 30 to 100. 30, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Again, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, let's go up to the big numbers. Now, just what you need to notice. Okay, again, notice in Haitian Creole, a billion, yeah, you may use that, but technically it doesn't exist. Just like in French, billion is milliard, right? But milliard is translated by milliard. So 1 billion is yon milliard, all right? So let's go down. 1,000 is yon mille, or you can say mille, but mille means yon millier yon. All right, that's one that you count 1,000 times. Yon millier yon. Now 1 million is yon mille millier. All right, that means 1,000 thousand. That's 1 million. And 1 billion is yon milliard, which means yon mille million. That means 1,000 million, right? Now 1 trillion, or you could say yon trillion, yon trillion, ou bien yon mille milliards. All right. Again, yon mille, yon million, yon milliard, yon trillion. All right, let's switch gear and look at the numbers. Let's do a review for those, okay? Counting from 1 to 10. Yon, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Counting from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Counting from 30 to 100. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then counting from the big numbers, yon mille, yon million, yon milliard, yon trillion. Now switching gear to ordinal numbers. Let's look at the ordinal numbers. Now, first is premier. Note the abbreviation is only YE, right? YE. Premier. Second, deuxième. Third, troisième. Fourth, quatrième. Fifth, cinquième. Sixth, sixième. Seventh, septième. Eighth, huitième. Ninth, neuvième, 10th, 10e. Ordinal numbers from 11th to 20th. 11th, 11e, 12th, 12e, 13th, 13e, 14th, 14e, 15th, 15e, 16th, 16e, 17th, 17e, 18th, 18e, 19th, 19e, 20th, 20e. Again, 11th, 11e, 12th, 12e, 13th, 13e, 14th, 14e, 15th, 15e, 16th, 16e, 17th, 17e, 18th, 18e, 19th, 19e, 20th, 20e. All right, that's all we got for you today. I hope you liked it. Keep on practicing. Listen to them over until they're comfortable for you. Thanks for learning. Thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe, like to encourage the work. Let's speak Creole. Na voyons l'autre fois. Merci.